Oh, we're at Main Street. First time I've ever. It smells like good food. I smell good food. I smell a nice markets. Main Street is the final stop on the 7 line. Line 7 runs all the way from Manhattan to Queens.
Stand right where you are. Stand right there, stop.
Is in the southern part of the borough of Queens. The 7 line runs from Main Street to Jackson, not to Jackson Heights, but to 34th Street. The station has 3 tracks, and we are at the other end of the platform. To get to and it's all the way back there. It will take about 2 or 3 minutes to get from that end of the platform. Also, here, that is depending on right now. We have until 1:30. It's 12:51. We have enough time. There is nothing coming. Main Street is one of the most. Of course, I'm gonna have lunch in Jackson in Junction Boulevard. So until then, let's explore. Main Street has 3 tracks. There's an outer track, an inner track for express trains, and of course the inner local track, which is the track I'm actually.
There is a train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
That could be a terminating train. See, the train is probably. Let's see, is it an express train or a local train? Alright, looks like it's arriving on this side. For the terminating pattern to work, a 7 may have to 3 different switches to get. Oh my god, that train is crowded. This is just as bad as Queensboro Plaza. Who knew? Who actually knew? I can tell you one thing, this train is going extremely slow. Fun fact, that track over there was used for the first train at Hudson Yards, but we'll cover that in another story. Now, this is the 7 train's last stop.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.
Train ends here. Train ends here.
New York City Transit.
Train ends here. Train ends here. Train ends here. Train ends here. Now, as I was saying, trains are usually using the outer tracks to terminate. The car 7492 is kind of soaked. Yeah, probably because of the rain. I'll forgive that anytime. So, anyways, if we move up 1 car to 7491, this one's cleaner. What's the difference? 7491 has less rain, while 7492 has more rain. Dad, can I step in? Can I step in? Alright,
Your safety is important to us. Please stand away from the platform edge, especially when trains enter and leave the station.
Local train.
now the train has entered service.
That's
why you don't step in.
Well, I realized now you don't step in. you don't step in. The train will enter service just a few seconds after arrival. If the train stays in
The next thing you go, bing bong, you're like this. Yeah. Guess who has to
This is the only station. This is the only official term that only uses one
This is
track.
Manhattan 7 local train. The next stop is Next Village Point.
Since I've actually played twice, this train is positive. Just so you know, this train will actually skip 100. Let me according to a post that I read.
There is a train approaching the station. Please stand away from the platform edge.
I guess I was wrong. Alright, it's gonna arrive on the middle track. I was right. I was right. Ayo, I was right. This is the only time I've actually seen the middle track in service. Yo, 7501! Finally! I did not expect that to happen, but I wasn't gonna scare me. Yo! Now where was I? Oh my god. Dude, this train is soaked, bro. That went better than planned. What happened here? Well, it's like a black door to me for some reason. Alright, so either way, it's 7504 and 7505. Wait, that last stop's like orange? It's usually. Oh wait, what color is that? Is that yellowish green or something?
Hello everyone. The New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings in sight and to stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee.
So the next train's gonna be on this platform. Then I assume it's gonna take the switch there and then cross tracks. I'll get a good view of it from here, like. So. Oh my god. Alright guys, I'm gonna check the time now. It is 58 right now. We are perfectly fine. I hope. So this is a dispatch. Oh, let's go over there. But since when have I caught in 7504 in my life? And like a few years ago, it's like the new signage program on here, but it looks good. It looks good. My phone doesn't have. Seventh train. Around the bend. So this 7 train is not gonna leave yet, or is it? You know, I'm gonna be making longer videos now. Who knows? Maybe they might even stretch past 15 minutes. All right. So guys, that is not a train, by the way. Or else I would have heard there was a train approaching the station announcement. So yeah, it makes sense, right? By the way, according to this YouTuber named I Has Been Central or MTAT train, he said that the R211 has been put back in service after the motors were fixed. We're gonna go to a station we're gonna go to a certain station and see if this is actually true. And we're actually in luck. We can use West 4th Street. We can use, what was it? Delancey Street. Because remember, A and C trains are running on the F line in both directions in West 4th Street and stuff.
There is a train approaching. Please stand away from the platform edge.
Yep, I knew it. Alright. Oh my god, that train's not even... Oh my god, it's not in service. It's not in service. It's not in service. Wow. Real mature. It's amazing though. See if it's actually not in service. We need to see. I gotta duck down and see this. Service. Alright, I doubt it's actually in service. I
The next stop is Met Village Point.
Oh, this train is not going to go as fast as you think. Nope, do not see the red diamond logo.
Service to both directions, however, 7 trains are not stopping at 7th Avenue. 7 trains are not stopping at 5th Avenue, Bryant Park, because someone was struck by a train on that train running normally and soon as we
This is
can.
Madison
Sheesh.
7 local train.
That didn't sound
The
good.
next stop is Met Village Point.
Alright, so next stop is point. Oh my god, Matt! Now, alright, if you want to find this black gap, go on the 7 line and look for cars 7504 and 7503. They're one of the 2 cars with the new signage program, which I have seen, which I just saw at the train enters the station. 7504 has the regular writage. 7503 has the orange writing on it. So just look for this set. I think it's 7505 to 7501 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think I think that's it. But anyways, these 2 trains have been stalled in this station for kind of a long time. So we're at the front. Doesn't look too bad. Oh wait. Oh my god, what's this on the train, bro? Alright, so local track, I think it's this one or it's this one. Whatever, it's gonna leave in 3 minutes. So in about 106 it'll leave. It's 103 right now, let's see. So okay. Alright, in 2 minutes if I'm not wrong. Please be right. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Hello.
Look your face. Look your face. One more. One more, be nice. Regular face. How you move down?
Alright, since these trains have moved yet, I'll see you next time for part 2.